Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting this immediately. Open Settings on your iPhone and confirm you're signed into the same Apple ID as the watch. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. These let the devices communicate. Next, open Find My and verify the watch appears under Devices. If it's not listed, toggle Find My off and back on, then wait a minute. These first checks let you trigger the sound and show location. Keep your iPhone nearby for the next step. Now open the Find My app and tap Devices, then pick your Apple Watch. Tap Play Sound. The watch emits a loud ping even if it's on silent. That's because Play Sound overrides mute to help find it. While it's ringing, use the on-screen live location arrow to walk toward the last known spot. If the watch is indoors, listen for echoes, and if there's no sound, wait 10-15 seconds and try Play Sound again. Network latency can delay the ping. If the Play Sound attempt doesn't work, immediately enable Lost Mode from Find My to lock the watch and show your contact info. That both protects data and increases recovery odds. Then check recent locations and call or visit the last place shown, or ask staff to listen for the tone. If nothing happens, restart your iPhone and, if possible, the watch remotely via Find My or wait for it to reconnect. Once it rejoins, Play Sound should work. Otherwise, contact Apple support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.